Over 50% of security failures occur because cameras miss what matters. Meet the ACT-I VMGB-359, VMGB-359P1, and A371, smart AI-powered defenders for data centers, stations, and military zones. With 360 degrees views, extreme night vision, and AI detection, they solve real-world security challenges. The 20MP system with 4 5MP lenses delivers 360 degrees panoramic coverage with no blind spots. Each channel supports independent pan, tilt, and 2.7 to 13.5mm zoom. One IP cable reduces installation cost, ideal for complex scenes. 9 IR LEDs per lens offer 50m night vision. Even at 0.002 lux, f1.2 AGC on, you get color video in total darkness, reliable for wide halls or dim perimeters. Built-in AI detects people, vehicles, sounds, crowd density, and more. It eliminates false alarms and boosts response time, perfect for crowded or high-risk areas. The Deterrence system triggers strobe lights or alarms by DO when AI or sensor events occur. No extra power needed, just use the built-in DC 12V output. 2DI/2DO, audio I/O, and a built-in mic make it flexible to integrate. With IP67 and IK10 ratings, it stands up to tough weather and harsh environments. ACT-I offers premium features at 30 to 50% less than Axis. SI partners win more bids, and users enjoy high performance without overspending, whether for a data center, station, or military site. This isn't just a camera, it's an all-in-one security platform. Click below to explore the VMGB-359, VMGB-359P1, and A371. Don't settle for outdated tech. Upgrade with ACT-I, your smartest defense starts now.